Good evening, everyone. We will start maximum within 5 minutes. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I would like to welcome all of you for joining in this webinar.
Good evening, Mukesh.
My name is Mukesh Batra, working as a Managing Director for House Seekers India Private Limited. We are international property consultant and always prefer to work only with A-grade developers, and Runwal comes in A category developers. So today I am going to host this webinar. Before starting, I would like to introduce our keynote speakers, Mr. Ravi Sharma, Director of Sales and Marketing at Runwal Group.
Hi.
Mr. Nitin Bhandari, Vice President in Sales from Runwal Group.
Hi, Mukesh.
I want to start this webinar with a video. This video will help us to understand development of Dombivli location and approach road for Runwal My City project. Give me 1 minute. I am starting this video. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry. Now, this is the time to take views from our expert on current situation of real estate market. Ravi sir, we have received multiple questions after this video from our customers. One of the common question is why we should buy home during lockdown?
Mukesh, I think it's a very pertinent question given the scenario which we are all in right now. And I think everybody from the last 1.5 months have been actually, being secured inside their own homes. And I think by this time we've realized that how important our own home is. एंड पिछले इतने हफ्तों के अंदर में हमने ये देखा है कि बाहर का वातावरण जो है वो कितना पैनिकी है, पैंडेमिक पूरी तरह से फैल चुका है. And at this point in time, a lot of people, in fact, have approached us directly as well, and they really wanted to know how do I really get to buy my own home. So I think it becomes very important in this scenario wherein we've seen all the investments that we have done in the past, whether it is mutual funds, whether it is insurance policies, whether any sort of investment class. What has actually really helped you today is your own home. And I think that is a pertinent thought that is coming up in everybody's mind today. I wish I had a own home. And of course, the people who already have their own homes are really feeling secure. And I think people who don't at this point in time, whether whoever is looking at an upgrade or whoever is looking at buying own house, if he's staying on rent or so on and so forth, I think this is the right time to really take a decision, because this asset class and this product, so to say, which you invest in is going to be here for you for lifetime. And it will secure you from every uncertainties and every unforeseen circumstances as we are in right now. So I think buying a real estate asset class and buying a home has always been in our minds, in our families' minds. And given the scenario, it becomes more important that you should own your own home.
Thank you so much, Ravi sir, to tell about the opportunity to our customers. So now I request to Mr. Nitin Bhandari to explain us about the Runwal Group and the offering on Runwal My City project for all attendees.
Thank you, Mukesh. Good evening, friends. It's good to see so many participants, joining us in this evening. So, basis that, चलें चालू करते हैं आज का discussion on, about the group, about My City project, and which will give you a broader understanding. So let's start the part. So something about the group. Established in 1978, Runwal Group over the last 40 years is amongst the premium real estate developers in Mumbai today, operating in residential, commercial, and organized retail verticals. With a robust track record of delivering over 51 projects. You can go on to the next slide, please. Yeah. So over the last 40 years, we have delivered over 51 residential projects, over 30 million square feet of under construction spaces there, and more than 20,000 families have already joined, our group today. This shows that at the important point that we have been doing in, that customer is at the focal point of every discussions that we do, whether it is related to designing, planning, and construction. The same thing is taken care in all our projects, when we talk about at Runwal Group. You can go on to the next slide, please. So cities of cities. History has seen, various cities. Like I'm sure we have heard a lot about cities which are, known like cities of lakes, cities of forts, cities of flowers, cities of palaces. This list can go on and on, But what history has never seen is a city full of cities. A city packed with all the things that you ever want. a city जहां से आपको कहीं बाहर निकलने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. Welcome to my city, cities of cities. The next slide. My city, if you see today, is spread over 156 acres. That 156 acres today, if we talk about that, the whole concept of 156 acres is planned in such a way with its wide network of roads and pathways, which ensures that everything is within 10 minutes, which is under 10 minutes. Multiple entry and exit points make it easy to commute across the magnificent township. The overall township, if you see, is actually planned under various residential clusters. Residential clusters, which are itself these residential clusters, if you see, these are individual livings in itself. When I say an individual living, it's a very important point that we focus here, that these residential clusters have their own life within themselves. They have their own clubhouses, they have their own landscaped areas, they have their own amenities which are dedicated to every individual residential cluster, which will be developed over a period of time. Individual clubhouses, along with that separate dedicated parkings which are below the podium. These are the key highlights of every cluster that we speak. Other than this, in terms of the residential clusters, there are various host of amenities which are a part of this 156 acres of development, which is known in the name of My City. Please go forward. Central Park. This is a very key area in the overall development of My City, which is spread over 6 acres. 6 acres of an open space. Jiske andar agar the image that you might see, the whole idea of the Central Park is planned in such a way which will have various list of amenities as a part of this Central Park, starting with an open amphitheater, which will have a capacity of holding at least 3,000 people at one go. Have an individual cricket ground, which will be like good enough for every club level cricket grounds, cricket matches that can be held here. Volleyball courts, various multi-purpose courts. List of other amenities also include like, yoga centers, meditation centers, skating rinks. So basically from every walk of life, everything is being taken care and provided within this 6 acres of an open space. Gives you more of an open feeling in this. That becomes the core of My City when we today talk about that what My City is. Overall, this a very small thing also we like, when we say that कि हर छोटी-छोटी चीजों का जब ध्यान रखते हैं, कोई एक जब प्रोजेक्ट की प्लानिंग होती है, यहाँ पे बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीजों का ध्यान रखा गया है. जिसका एक एग्जांपल कुछ इस तरीके से भी होता है कि यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जो पेट्स आजकल आप नोटिस करेंगे, everybody have some of them have their pets of their own. So their individual pet parks are also planned here as a part of the Central Park. Can go forward. A sports facility, another important aspect of My City, which is again the first of a kind, the one and the only development provided in the whole Kalyan Dombivli municipality belt. The sports complex, which is spread over 8 acres, 8.47 acres of an open space, which includes football fields, tennis courts, Olympic-sized swimming pool, and the various host of amenities. You can go on to the next slides, please. Another beautiful part about this sports complex is that for people who think that who take sports very seriously, जो sports को as a profession की तरह लेते हैं, उनके लिए ये sports academy एक बहुत नया angle provide करता है. जिस तरीके की facilities यहाँ पे provide गई है, there will be various tie-ups over a period of time where we'll have international brands associating with us and taking care of this renowned facility that we are planning over a period of time. And go on to the next slide, please. Thanks. Olympic-sized swimming pool, as I was talking about. Next. Overall, when we talk about 156 acres is a combination, as I said, the various list of, amenities that are included in that, the sports complex, the central garden, you have healthcare facilities. Like for everything, whatever you need, you don't have to step out. That's the core concept of My City. We have our educational institutes which are provided within the whole city radius. renowned educational institute, which we have tied up with, which we are expected to start off from the next financial year, next academic year to be precise. We have, taken care of the commercial aspect of it as well, where, your premium retail spaces are provided within the part of the whole project, which takes care of your individual shopping spaces as well, healthcare facility, as I spoke. The security is also of utmost importance at MyCity. And when I say security, you have a fire brigade center and a police station well within the premises of 156 acres. For every smaller thing and every smaller aspect, everything is taken care and well provided within this whole expanse of 156 acres. That's the kind of a planning, that has gone behind while, coming up with this idea of MyCity. And MyCity, by the way, is another unique concept that, I will discuss it with you in the time to come. Move on to the next slide, please. As I said, for every project, the planning, the deep planning that has gone behind the MyCity project and the construction and the idea behind that to create internal passages and internal easy movement, traffic-free movements, you will notice that, we have multiple internal roads which are planned in such a way that takes care of that internal commute very easily. Matlab, between your various clusters and the broad amenities of MyCity, and it's a very easy commute with the roads which are spread across 18 meters, 24 meters, and 30-meter wide roads. So that gives a very easy commute, within the project. Go to the next slide. Today, MyCity, as I started off with my communication, that MyCity will be a combination of residential clusters which will be constructed over a period of time. In the past, we have launched various clusters at MyCity. Among them, we have already, started with our development of Vista City. We'll go to the next slide. Vista City today stands with one very unique benefit when I talk about, this is ready for possession. Occupation certificate already received at Vista City. Go to the next slide. The best part about Vista City today, as you could have seen in my previous slides, it's a combination of 10 towers, the tallest standing towers today in Dombivli as we speak, 2 podium and 27 habitable floors. The views of Vista City are of another level when we talk about. You have views of Ulhas River on one side, the beautiful Pasik Hills on the other side. That becomes the view of, view from the apartments at Vista City. And go on to the next slides. These are some of the views that we try to show, which are a part of Vista City today that we talk about. On to the next slide, please. Today, since Vista City as a part is already delivered as we speak, more than 500 families have already, taken over possession at Vista City, and another 500 are taking over possession in the time to come. Because of obviously this situation, we could not complete the handover. Else, this is an actual image of Vista City, how the elevation of the building looks like at Vista City, overlooking the beautiful podium which is dedicated to an individual Vista City. When I say that, which is readily and occupationally available for the residents to take it. Go to the next slide, please. The podium garden, since another advantage of Vista City, agar hum log uske bare mein baat kare, so every project of ours or every cluster of ours today comes with a very unique facility, podium level amenities. Now, what is a podium level amenities? Generally, कल्याण डोंबिवली बेल्ट पे अगर हम नोटिस करेंगे, या जिस तरीके का डेवलपमेंट आज सराउंड में अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा होता है, ग्राउंड प्लस डेवलपमेंट होता है. क्या होता है ग्राउंड प्लस डेवलपमेंट? ग्राउंड प्लस डेवलपमेंट का मतलब होता है कि देयर इज अ ग्राउंड फ्लोर एंड द बिल्डिंग्स आर ऑल ओवर अबव दैट, व्हिच मींस जितनी एमिनिटीज या द सो कॉल्ड एमिनिटीज प्रोवाइडेड बाय एनी प्रोजेक्ट इज एवरीथिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड लेवल, which is where a different unique concept and one of the biggest USP of MyCity comes, that every cluster of ours is not based on the ground floor. It is on a podium level, which means the podium garden which you are just seeing in front of you is actually 30 feet above the ground. When I say 30 feet, this is 3 levels above the ground floor. This itself gives another feeling to the project, and the openness and everything in terms of the unique feature of the project goes on, continues with every clusters at MyCity. Vista City is amongst one of them, which is readily available, as I said, and can be easily, seen as well. And go on to the next slides. This is, some of the pictures taken of how an entrance lobby would look like. Next slide. Since it is ready to, reside, so these facilities are easily accessible and used by all the residents. Today, in terms of the residents who are already, using these facilities, another feature of Vista City, like I covered in my previous discussion, an individual clubhouse, a clubhouse which is only used and utilized and enjoyed by the residents of Vista City. Club Oasis, a 3-level facility which has its own individual uniqueness in itself, overlooking the Parsik hillside, a gym, a dedicated gym for this, Club Oasis. These are, by the way, actual images. These are not any doctored images for you. And I'm sure, once you guys will visit the site, you guys will see a lot of a similar kind of thing that we're talking about. Go on to the next slide, please. We're trying to show you, what are the facilities which are provided at Club Oasis today. The banquet hall, which is at the 2nd level today, which again is overlooking the podium facilities, the podium amenities, overlooking the beautiful swimming pool on one side and the amenities on the other side. On to the next slide. Since the Club Oasis is actually planned on multiple levels, this is another beautiful view of the games room. So our clubhouse today includes everything from a toddler to a kid to a senior citizen, taking care of each and everybody's daily and the basic requirements. Everything is covered in, the whole Club Oasis that we today talk about. We'll go on to the next slide. So everything, in terms of what you see and what I see today, the whole concept of Vista City today starts and can be availed 1 BHKs, 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs today, starting from 40 lakh onwards. Further detailing of that can obviously be shared with you on need basis. But today, as I rightly said, that this is a readily operational property where people have already started residing in this. More than 500 families have already started. All the amenities and the facilities have already been started. Go on to the next slide, please. So today, when we talk about, when we were just discussing about Vista City, we have covered one very important aspect of today's communication, that ready possession and ready to move in apartments are something which people look at. But since today My City offers a host of other facilities as well, apart from ready to move in, inventories or ready to move in apartments, we also have something in terms of an under construction available, a concept which was actually planned onto a very individualistic idea that today as an individual, we all need a place for ourselves. And this can be rightly understood from today's time. When we all are locked inside our rooms, inside our apartments, we need those separate spaces and individual spaces where we can work and we can, continue with our day-to-day activities. So the whole concept of the whole concept of Blossom City was actually planned on that similar lines, which has everything provided for everyone. You can go on to the next slide. Another beautiful aspect of Blossom City today, as we talk about, the podium level amenities at Vista, the podium level amenities of Blossom City today are spread over 75,000 square feet of a space. 75,000 square feet of a space. The picture that you're looking at is one of a picture which will be, used in a further stage, which is spread over 1.74 acres of an open space which is there. That's a part of the podium space that today we are talking about. This is what is the concept of Blossom City. This is what is the uniqueness of My City today, that every cluster has a living in itself. Every cluster has its own individual approach, individual being, and one of such facilities provided at Blossom City. The biggest podium at Dombivli, at Kalyan Dombivli belt today, 1.74 acres of an open space, which covers various hosts of other amenities, which I'll just talk about. And go on to the next slide, please. Today, this Blossom City, we have already launched, 6 towers, which have combinations of apartments starting from 1 BHKs goes up to 3 BHKs. As another uniqueness of Blossom City, when we talk about, along with all the other clusters, they have, Blossom City has its own dedicated clubhouse, more onto a similar lines of what Club Oasis was, what we saw at Vista City, a separate podium garden, another unique feature of every project of ours or every cluster of ours at MyCity, an individual parking space which is based below the podium level. This another is one of a very key amenity provided with and becomes one of a key USP at MyCity, and another at Blossom City as well. The next, please. This is how the layout of Blossom City today looks like. As I said, this will be a combination of 12 towers, of which 6 towers we have launched. 6 towers, which, as I said, overlooking the podium on one side, which is spread over 1.74 acres, which contains all the host of amenities that we talk about. Just taking care from every small thing that we say, a clubhouse of its own. You can go on to the next slide with the list of amenities. You can name it and everything is there for you. Taking care right from the toddlers to the middle age group to the senior citizen. Everything is well planned within this 1.74 acres, and which is where that becomes a part and uniqueness of only Blossom City. So this effectively becomes one of a very, very important part of our being at Blossom City when we talk about at MyCity. So एक अपने आप में इसका एक another uniqueness है, because आज पोडियम लेवल पे जो एम्यूनिटीज आप अगर यूज करते हैं, आज उसका एक बहुत बड़ा अनदर एक एडवांटेज होता है जो वंस वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट इट, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग इट. सो एक है, मतलब उसका भी एक अनदर एडवांटेज है. गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Okay, so I guess broadly what we have tried to cover up is to give you a complete idea, holistic idea of what MyCity in totality is. MyCity, which covers all the unique points, and which is where I think the next part of a short video, a very, very short video, because as it is rightly said, words may not make you understand everything. Visually कोई चीज देखना समझने में एक अलग अंडरस्टैंडिंग आता है. तो हमने एक बहुत ही शॉर्ट वीडियो, जो भी मैंने अभी लास्ट 10-15 मिनट में कोशिश की आपको समझाने की, उसको विजुअली हम कवर करके आपको एक शॉर्ट वीडियो दिखाते हैं, तो उससे आपको एक थोड़ी बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिलेगी और व्हाट MyCity is. Because if you can just play that video once.
Thank you so much, Nitin sir and Ravi sir. Mr. Ravi and Mr. Nitin explained about the complete project. Now, I will request you to explain about the payment schemes for the customer. Ravi sir.
Yeah, I think before that, we should talk about the price sheet, Ritin, which we have for Blossom City.
So you can go into
about the sizes and the configuration that we have.
Sure.
Yes.
So Blossom City, you can go into the presentation part. I'll anyway just cover it as a slide. Yeah. So Blossom City, today combines with apartments starting from 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. 2 BHKs today, the carpet ranges starts from 524 square feet. 510 square feet goes up to 570 square feet for a 2 BHK. These are RERA carpets as we speak. And 3 BHKs goes beyond 750 square feet in terms of a pure RERA carpet. Apartments, obviously, in terms of the pricing part, starts from 48.7 lakh onwards, and 3 BHK starts with 80.79 lakh onwards. So this Blossom City, in terms of possession, though it is planned for an early 2024 possession, but in terms of since it's a unique construction, S-form construction, which is today used, so the possessions are planned in a much earlier phase as we speak. So this, I think, is few of the questions which some participants asked. So I think this gives a broader understanding.
In fact, we have some questions which have come from participants, so we'll take them later.
Yeah.
We'll finish the first session and then we can take questions. Yeah, Mukesh.
So thank you so much, Mr. Nitin.
Thank you.
Ravi sir, can you explain about the payment schemes for the customers and for our attendees?
Yeah, so I think the way we've been selling real estate from so many years has been a very traditional way of selling, wherein either the property is ready and people come and take possession and pay the entire money. And when the project is launched at a groundbreaking stage, the construction linked payment plan also has been the trend in the past so many years. But what we have seen over a period of last 1.5 to 2 years is that a lot of people who really are not able to buy a ready property because they may not get a right choice of the apartment and inventory. A lot of people are not able to pay while the construction is happening because they'll have to take loan. They are also parallelly staying in a rented house, so they're paying the rent as well as they're paying the EMIs. So we basically thought about all these problems that the consumers were facing, and we have actually introduced a very unique payment plan, which is a 991 payment plan. So what happens in this payment plan is you pay 9% right now, and you pay 91% at the time of when we offer the possession. So basically there are two set of customers who predominantly are buying real estate today, and we've seen that over a period of years. The first is the consumer who really wants to upgrade his lifestyle, who wants to really come from a standalone building to a larger development, to a clustered development. A first home buyer who's actually got his job and as a double income with a wife also working and earning, are wanting to buy the first home. Then there are a lot of people who are staying on rent as well, and they want to buy their own homes. So effectively, this payment plan serves a very larger interest about all these consumers who are facing this problem. So if you're staying on rent, you have to just invest 9% of the property value and stay invested about all your liquid funds that you have till the time our building is not ready. Once the building is ready, you can come and pay the balance amount and take the possession. So in this, people also have come back to us कि सर हमको 2 साल wait नहीं करना है, but हम आज नहीं दे सकते, हमको 6 महीने का time चाहिए. So we have inventory starting from 6 months delivery to a year, 1.5 years, and 2 years and beyond as well. Because this is an entire city-led development, इसलिए इसमें हर तरह का consumer जो है उसको flat खरीदने का मौका मिलेगा. Because आपके जो payment plans है उस तरीके से हमने ये बहुत ही flexible और आरामदायक रखे हैं. और आज की तारीख में जहाँ पे हम सब लोग लॉकडाउन में हैं और आज हम एक घर की जो अहमियत है वो समझ चुके हैं और इम्पोर्टेंस समझ चुके हैं, तो हम आज की तारीख में आपके लिए ये स्कीम खास करके लाए हैं. और इसमें आपका जो सेल्स मैनेजर जिससे आप टच में हैं, जिससे आप इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं इस वेबिनार से पहले या इसके बाद या हमारी जो ऑनलाइन साइट्स हैं जहाँ से आपने हमको इंक्वायरीज वगैरह की होंगे. आई एम श्योर देयर आर over there are hundreds of people on this webinar right now, and people have inquired about how do we really take the benefit of this offer. So what you have to do right now is you just pay a token amount of 11,000 rupees to us. The payment details will be shared to you by our sales managers, and this 11,000 friends is completely refundable, because as a consumer and as an Indian consumer, so to say, we really want to have that touch and feel of our purchase that we really want to buy. जब तक हम देख नहीं सकते या हम जब तक उसको महसूस नहीं कर पाते हैं तो हमको विश्वास नहीं होता है. But I'm sure with brands who have delivered in the past and have a very large track record and have really consistently proved in the market that you can believe and trust on. So we are one amongst them. In fact, the top 5 amongst the country, I would say. So you can definitely be rest assured that your token is safe and secure with us. And once the lockdown is lifted, you can come to our sites, have a look at the property, and I'm sure 99.99% people will want to go ahead. In case there is a possibility that due to some unforeseen circumstances, you're not able to go ahead with us, we will refund this money to you with no questions asked. And the biggest advantage today over here is that you can buy an apartment at any floor. It is the same price. The pricing that we just shared in the previous slide that you saw is price of any floor that you buy. And the wonderful views that you saw in our from our Vista development are more or less similar in the Blossom City as well. So because it's in a large open land, so you can actually see a lot of landscape outside the development as well. And there is a biggest advantage in this payment plan that you don't have to pay any pre-EMI in this case as well. And of course, with the 9% payment that you do once you decide to go ahead with us, you pay the stamp duty, you pay the registration charges, and the home is yours. And you just have to wait for the construction to get completed. And of course, you can select your time span between 6 months to 12 months to 1.5 years to 2 years, and so on and so forth. Sorry. And we of course have typologies which are 2 beds and very, very smartly designed 3 BHKs as well, with zero wastage of space over here. So I think this payment plan is really crafted in such a manner which has actually become a blessing in disguise for us. And from the time the lockdown has actually begun, we have been flooded with inquiries, and Ethan and his team are really wanting to serve most of the customers. At times we are not able to reach out to you guys, so please bear with us. Hence we are doing such large one-to-many interactions through technology, which is happening through webinar. So I'm sure in case if you have any sort of doubts or queries, you can get in touch with our guys. They'll be happy to help you.
Ravi sir, thank you so much for this type of schemes for all our customer. But आज काफी सारे customers हैं जो अपना time निकाल के इस webinar में आए हैं. So what are the special benefits for all attendees?
सर इतना अच्छा बेनिफिट आपको दे दिया है. आपको पेमेंट आज 9% देनी है और 91% ज्यादा पोजीशन पे देना है. इससे बेहतरीन बेनिफिट क्या हो सकता है? और आपको केवल 11,000 रुपए आज पे करने हैं. उसमें आप एक सीधा 50 लाख रुपए घर बुक कर सकते हो. आज कौन सी ऐसी एसेट क्लास है जिसकी कीमत लाखों में होती है और आप हजारों में देकर के वो खरीद सकते हो? रियल एस्टेट ही एक ऐसा एसेट क्लास है जिसमें आप एंट्री लेवल इतनी लो है और आप ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जो है वो इस वैल्यू का लाभ उठा सकते हैं. But as you mentioned, and as I also feel that people have taken time out from their schedule. I'm sure everybody is working from home, and efficiency levels have actually gone up. People are really exhausted throughout the day, and they've taken time to come to attend our webinar. We would like to extend our festivities offer that we had. So we had a Akshaya Tritiya offer, which was extremely successful, in which we were giving 10 grams of gold on every booking. So we would like to extend the same offer, and we would like the festivities to continue only for your consumers, Mukesh ji, and for the next 2 days alone. So as we speak today, we are towards just entering into our weekend. So between today, tomorrow, and day after, whoever books amongst these hundreds of customers who have come online with us, you can make a note of these people. We can definitely offer them the 10-gram gold, which we're offering on every booking. And I'm sure everybody realizes the fact that over a period of time in the last so many years, what we've actually seen is two asset classes are really grown and appreciated. One is real estate and second is gold. And what a bit lovely combination than real estate and gold put together. So I think the way things are looking across us, it is right time to invest and at the right opportunity that you should avail the benefit of.
Great, sir.
Question, in fact, you keep asking me. I'll just add on. Is it what is the right time to really buy a property? You know, so the way I look at it, there is no right time to buy a property. You should buy the right property at the right time. So I think the way MyCity is planned, the way the entire infrastructure is built around it, I think there shouldn't be any two ways about it that you should go ahead and buy. It basically caters to every need that individual wants. And just to share the success story that we've had hundreds of customers who have actually given us these 11,000 tokens. I'm sure we're sharing some screenshots for you to really understand that this is really the way things are moving ahead now, and people are taking advantage of this facility. So I think you should not waste any time. You are at a zero risk right now. You're just paying 11,000. You can go to the site, see the actual apartment, look at what exactly the floor that you want to stay on, and you can commit your 9% then and there. And till the time the possession is offered, you can be relaxed, and there's no pre-EMI which you need to pay at all. So I think everybody is just waiting for the lockdown to get opened up, and we really want to come and see the site. Till the time you can block in your slot by paying this 11,000 rupees.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nitin and Mr. Ravi, to answer all customers' query and explaining the project in such a nice manner. We have received a couple of questions from the audience. So I will ask Mr. Nitin to reply those questions.
Sure.
Mr. Nitin, there are many, few customers are asking, and there are many investors in this webinar also. And there are many investors in this webinar. One of the common query is over the location advantages for Renewal MyCity project.
Okay. So, this doesn't come as a surprise to me today, when this question comes in, because I'm sure me and my team has been, widely answering this question. So, for a broader audience sake, let me just repeat on to that part, which we have actually, covered in the, beautifully covered in the video, which was a fabulous job done by a marketing team as well. When we look at the overall advantage of location, location is the key of every communication. मैं कुछ भी डिसीजन लेने के पहले ना सबसे पहले लोकेशन एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जिसके ऊपर से ही सारी कहानी चालू होती है. तो MyCity का भी ओरिजिन उस कॉन्सेप्ट पे ही हुआ है. When we look at the biggest advantage of MyCity is the whole concept of location which is currently accessible from 4 existing railway stations. This is a very, very key point that we talk about. कोई भी डेवलपमेंट आज एक फ्यूचर के हिसाब से बनता है कि यहाँ पे कुछ आने वाला है करके ये डेवलपमेंट बहुत अच्छा है. MyCity उस कॉन्सेप्ट के हिसाब से भी है, बट प्रेजेंट में भी MyCity का एक अनदर लोकेशन एडवांटेज है, अनदर एडवांटेज है. इट इज राइट नेक्स्ट टू 4 रेलवे स्टेशन, डोंबिवली, दीवा, कोपर and Datiwali, all 4 operational railway stations which are from the distance of 5 minutes to 20 minutes of a drivable distance. Apart from that, another aspect of location is connectivity via road. Today, the whole vision of MMRDA, which is being planned on multimodal corridor, which is a 126 kilometers of an overall vision of MMRDA, which is based on. MyCity is right at the doorsteps of MMC, which is a multimodal corridor, which gives another advantage to MyCity as we speak. Apart from that, a private entry from Shilfata, which gives another advantage to MyCity as a project. Upcoming infrastructure developments like Airoli Katai elevated corridor, जो भी आगे आने वाले टाइम में आने वाला है, जिसका काम ऑलरेडी चालू हो चुका है, वो भी exactly MyCity के डोर स्टेप्स पे है. तो मतलब आज का प्रेजेंट already काफी accessible in terms of MyCity, and future, as we say, that future is always bright. So MyCity का तो future definitely bright रहेगा, because इसका future connectivity भी काफी अच्छा होने वाला है.
In fact, this is a link take question, and Nitin, which has come to me, which says that since the government is also in the process of giving some new benefits of home loans, infrastructure, etc., why should the investor invest today? I think this is a very relevant question which has come, and you should definitely invest today because of the entire infrastructure which the government is infusing in today, and given the home loan rates that are coming down. Wherein I remember when I took my first home loan back in the day, I used to pay almost 13 to 14% interest. So today, when the interest cost is almost half and your borrowing cost is so low, there is no reason why you should not look at investing. And given the importance of homes, the rental returns also will over a period of time increase. Today, the rental returns are anywhere between 2 to 3%. And if you look at the way demand is increasing, the rental return and the yield on your property will definitely surpass 3.5-4% easily in the next coming years. So this is a very right time. I think one should really invest in today. And predominantly, a retail investor is always there in the market. People like you and me should definitely invest in for our future generations as well.
So one more key point, sorry, Ravi sir, since, you have covered on to a very, very important aspect of, why and when is the right time. Now, today, when we see that the overall proposition at, MyCity comes with, obviously with the unique features of the project that we are providing. But one more added advantage today is the payment schedule. When I say a 991 payment schedule, doesn't go by only the name. Just आप ये मत देखिए कि सिर्फ वो 9% है और 91% है. उसके बीच में जो एक गैप है ना, उसमें पूरा रियल स्टेट का पूरी मतलब कहानी है वो. आज एक जनरल आप और हम अगर मार्केट में निकलते हैं कोई प्रॉपर्टी लेने के लिए, हम एक चीज बहुत क्लियर अपने बैक ऑफ द माइंड ध्यान रखते हैं और हम समझते भी हैं कि आज हम प्रॉपर्टी लेंगे, हम उसका अपना एक ओन कंट्रीब्यूशन, जिसको हम लोग हमारी लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं, ओन कंट्रीब्यूशन जो हम देंगे, या आप अपनी तरफ से कितना पैसा उस प्रॉपर्टी में देना चाहते हैं आप उतना पैसा देंगे, स्टैम्प ड्यूटी का पैसा देंगे, रजिस्ट्रेशन का पैसा देंगे जो कि गवर्नमेंट चार्जेस है. उसके बाद का पैसा कहाँ से आता है? बैंक लोन से आता है, या फिर कोई सेल्फ में अपना ओन कंट्रीब्यूशन डालता है, या आप अपनी कोई प्रॉपर्टी सेल करके डालते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह वेरियस तरीके होते हैं. बट क्या आपने उसमें एक चीज ध्यान दी है कि आप जो पैसा किसी से ले रहे हैं तो आप उसका कुछ रिटर्न में कुछ दे रहे हैं उसको. वो रिटर्न में क्या देते हैं, आई एम श्योर आप लोग सब समझते हैं. वो होती है एक प्री EMI, which is basically interest to the bank. This is where another advantage that comes, and the questions that people ask whether this is the right time. This is the best time to buy, because along with obviously the offers that we give you, this advantage of 991 where your risk is absolutely nothing. The risk is, when I say that your risk is nothing, your risk is only related to 9%, because balance paisa is coming from our side. We are constructing the building and then we expect you to pay that money. So there's a lot of important aspect here. And because of this becomes a very, very important and the best time to go for it.
There's one more question which says traffic is a major bottleneck in today's scenario when people go to work from Mumbai to Navi Mumbai and from Thane. And I think this is going to be a thing of past now in terms of traffic. I don't think so be traffic शहरों में होने वाला है, because most of us will start working from home. And the way technology has taught us that we can work from anywhere, and wherever there is physicality required, and in fact the life can be really planned in a better way wherein you can travel at any time. I've even seen now, given the scenario wherein when I go to buy groceries, there are stores now which are open 24/7. So you don't really have to plan your कि भाई मैं ऑफिस से कब आऊंगा, मैं अपने सामान खरीदने कब जाऊंगा, लेट हो जाएगा, ट्रैफिक फंसूंगा. ये सब चेंज हो गया है. Our systems, our ecosystem rather, our way of living lives have completely changed. And when you are living in a city which is completely self-contained and self-sustained with a completely integrated development to support around it, I think there is no reason why these problems will ever exist. It will become a thing of past. ये मतलब बोला करेंगे किसी काल जमाने में भाई ट्रैफिक हुआ करता था बॉम्बे में.
Right. Correct, sir. So one more question is coming from Mr. Vinod's side. In lots of township, we have only one entry and one exit, and thousands of vehicles pass through this entry-exit points during peak office hours. And it always increases the travel time for office work. So we want to know, is Renewal MyCity project has focused on this customer pain point as well?
So, again, a very good question asked, by Mr. Vinod. So, at the end of the day, this is a very, very important point that when we say that the whole concept of MyCity was planned, keeping and taking suggestions from the people who wanted to invest their money at. So that's actually the whole vision of MyCity. MyCity is not just the name. Just ऐसा नहीं कि मूड हुआ हमको कि हमने उसका नाम MyCity रख दिया, ऐसा नहीं है. MyCity के पीछे प्लान बनाने के पहले there was a market research which was done. The active property seekers at that point of time, we took suggestions. This was amongst that one of a very key suggestion that was put in at that point of time, that how do we address this query of traffic control when we come and क्या हो गया, आप ऑफिस से निकल गए, अब ऑफिस से निकलने के बाद घर पहुंचने की सबको जल्दी है, बट वो घर पहुंचने तक का जो ड्यूरेशन का जो ट्रैफिक है उसको आंसर देने के लिए MyCity में we have ensured that you're not only based on a one entry and exit. There are 3 entry exits which are planned in such a way that that commute within the city becomes very, very easy. When I say within the city, the 3 entry and exit points divides the traffic load very conveniently. To add on to that, the width of the roads, internal MyCity roads, are stretched between 30 meter, 24 meter and 18 meter wide roads. This itself gives a lot of easy vehicular movement inside the city as well. So उसका एक काफी हद तक उसके एक आंसर को, उसके एक solution आइडेंटिफाई करने का कोशिश किया गया है इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे. I'm sure this gives a broader understanding to Mr. Vinod now.
Yes. A lot of people are even asking Mukesh that. Sorry, I'm interrupting. The questions are directly getting asked to me, so I'll just take the liberty of answering them quickly in the interest of time. People say, will the property prices become cheaper in the near future? So I think this is a question which everybody has in their minds, and let me disappoint you by saying that it will not. And the property prices will remain the same, especially in the bracket of the sub 1 crore, sub 75 lakhs and sub 50 lakh ticket sizes. Because to be very honest with you, and given the scenario of our population that we have, the demand in the sub 1 crore ticket size properties have been fairly stagnant, fairly, the consumption has also been fairly decent. So we don't see any prices getting impacted over here, because there is a fair amount of demand and there is an equal amount of supply which is there in this ticket size. So I don't think so there is any reason to think about prices coming down. Moreover, we are also giving an assurance in writing as well. In fact, all our communications also do carry this, that there is a price guarantee that we assure that whatever prices that we are selling it at right now, it will not go below that at all. In fact, if you see the trend which MyCity has seen over the last couple of years, the prices have gradually increased. They have not come down. So the apartment that you see, which the ready property that you saw, which is at around 50 lakh rupees, Nitin, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
We started selling that property a couple of years back, I think less than 40 lakh rupees. So you can imagine
40 lakhs,
have actually gone up. So there is no reason why one should really think that the prices will come down. And what else we have?
In fact, sir, to add in this point, this current scenario where the last good for 50 days now, people are within the confined spaces of their homes. There are some lucky people who own their own homes, so they can very easily relate to it कि उसका एक अपना फायदा है खुद का घर होने का. आपको किसी के rules regulations को follow करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. But this is not alike the same story with people who are staying on rent. मतलब it is not a good thing to even talk about it, but many of my friends today who are staying in various cities on rent, they are facing a lot of problem because of the rules and regulations, landlords not supporting them in the way, in this tough scenario. So in fact ये lockdown खुलने के बाद, and in fact मैं तो उनसे बात हो रहा, because I am being in this line, they have been talking to me constantly. So अब तो in fact personal way पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये demand और ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि लोगों को अपनी खुद की space की value अब समझ में आएगी. तो एक बहुत time तक millennials were thinking like that, why to buy a property and pay this EMI, which they used to think that it was an expense. But now going forward, it will not be an expense. This will be something that everybody will tomorrow look at it and consider it as of utmost important, like our parents used to do. So I'm sure आगे आने वाले टाइम में एक बहुत important aspect हो जाएगा खुद का property own करना.
राइट सर, बेसिकली क्या होता है कि आज के टाइम पे काफी सारी टाउनशिप्स है, ठीक है, बहुत सारे बिल्डर्स हैं जो टाउनशिप्स बना रहे हैं, बट बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स जो है हमारा सेम क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग कि होता क्या है कि काफी सारी टाउनशिप्स में जो होता है हम रहने तो चले जाते हैं, एम्यूनिटीज यूज करते हैं, बट आज के टाइम पे जो डेली नीड्स है, ठीक है, काफी सारी टाउनशिप्स है वो फुलफिल नहीं कर पाती, उसके लिए और कस्टमर्स को जो है बाहर जाना पड़ता है, उसके लिए कई बार उनको पब्लिक कम्यूट का यूज करना पड़ता है, प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स यूज करने पड़ते हैं. सो मेनी कस्टमर्स आर आस्किंग, आर डिलीवरिंग ओनली रेजिडेंशियल या वी आर डिलीवरिंग कमर्शियल ऑल्सो फॉर डेली नीड्स?
Okay. So, to answer this question, I will break it up into two parts. First part of that answer is, as I said, that Vista City is already ready for occupation, where, more than 500 families have already moved in. They are staying at Vista City. So, वहाँ पे already ये सारी facilities जो भी आपने बात की थी मुकेश जी, facilities like, transportation facilities provided from the project to the nearest railway station, Dombivli, which is already operational, by the way. There are specific time slots with which the bus services are provided to the residents. Apart from that, the daily grocery requirement, जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है कि यार मैं रोज तो डीमार्ट नहीं जाऊंगा या मैं रोज तो मॉल नहीं जाऊंगा. मॉल तो खैर अब एक गलत वर्ड हो गया यूज करना, क्योंकि मॉल तो अब इट विल बी अ बिग बिफोर इट ओपन्स अप, बट आप रोज डीमार्ट नहीं जा सकते. एग्जैक्टली वही स्मॉलर कॉन्सेप्ट्स को ध्यान रखते हुए every basic grocery requirement is provided within the doorsteps of every cluster. Having said that, that facility is already provided for our existing Vista City residents. So this becomes an overall advantage to our people who are currently residing in. For the people who will look at, my city as a whole, the expanse of 156 acres is actually planned that, these basic grocery requirements are duly taken care within the confined spaces of every cluster. Having said that, the premium retail concept will also be provided within the whole expanse of 156 acres. मतलब वो सारी facilities along with the retail spaces are definitely provided within my city.
Mukesh, I think we are getting a lot of questions online.
Yes, sir. काफी सारे questions आ रहे हैं. I have shortlisted.
So do you have any questions for us, or shall we start answering these, because there are a lot of interesting questions?
Yes. Two questions I will ask more, and
तो I think जल्दी करना पड़ेगा आपको because time की कमी है.
Yes. I will ask my sales team to address every query. They will connect with everyone.
Because I think there are more than 40-45 people who have said कि हम payment किसको दें, 9% कब देना है.
Yes. ये दो questions मुझे बहुत important लग रहे हैं sir. I will ask. ये तो एक क्वेश्चन था कि लोगों ने पूछा कि ओपन स्पेस कितना है, ऑलरेडी हम वो प्रेजेंटेशन में
चुके हैं,
बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज कमिंग रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन, एंड यू ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन, मिस्टर नितिन, you already explained about the school. Can you highlight the details on the schools, and will Runwal My City residences will get any priority in school admissions for their children?
Okay, so educational facility is another key aspect of every decision making today that we talk about. So at My City also, this facility and this concept has been taken care of. We are tied up with Ryan International School today, which will be operating within the premises of that school that we are talking about, which will be having a capacity of over 3,800 students can be can use that facility at one go. We are expected to start off with the school operations from the next academic year. That's the plan as of today, and which will have schools, classes ranging from 1st onwards till 10th standard. So this is the current plan. Having said that, yes, there is an advantage for the people who are staying within My City. They will obviously be given the first preference, as in, their kids and, their family members will be the first preference given at, the Ryan International School, which is based within our premises.
And last question, which is related to ready-to-move apartments, which you have explained about Vista, right? So, asking, can you explain how many families are staying there?
So, as I said, more than 500 families are already staying and taken over the possession. Since all the other developments are already operational at Vista City, right before this lockdown at Gudi Padwa Day, we were actually planning to hand over another 500 residents by that time, but due to this situation, we could not do it. But then, yes, those residents are already ready and lining up to take over their possessions as well. So you can broadly say that, yes, there are, 500 families moved in. Over more than 3,000 families have already chosen My City as their dream home. And because of that, today the advantage comes on another level, because some of the questions while, you were asking Ravi sir, I was also going through, जो रवि सर ने बताया भी था अपने कम्युनिकेशन में पहले, कि आज जो पोजेशन का रेंज माई सिटी एज अ प्रोडक्ट आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, रेडी टू मूव इन अपार्टमेंट्स, विच मींस आप पैसा दें और अपार्टमेंट में मूव हो जाए, उसको रेडी टू मूव इन बोलते हैं, जिसका अवेलेबिलिटी है. किसी को चाहिए कि नहीं, मेरे को इतना जल्दी अपने आप को कमिट नहीं करना है, मेरे को 1 साल का एक माइंड फ्रेम वाला चाहिए पोजेशन, तो अपने पास वो ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल है माई सिटी में. रेडी टू मूव इन से लेके 1 साल से लेके 2-2.5 साल का विजन का पूरा एक प्रोडक्ट बुके है जो प्रोवाइड होता है आज माई सिटी के ऊपर.
Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Nitin and Mr. Ravi, to answer all customers' query and explaining the project in such a nice manner and lucrative offers given by Mr. Ravi. There are many questions still coming from the audience, but we are bound on time. So I will say sorry not to pick the pending queries of the customer. But yes, after this webinar, House Seekers sales team will connect with all of you and address your query with solutions.
I think 1 or 2 questions are there. I think I should answer that. People are asking, what is the kind of hospital brands that you're talking to? So we are talking to the topmost brands in the likes of Apollo and Wockhardt. So those are the kind of brands that we are looking at, associating with. That was one question that had come. What else? I think we have traffic.
So I think one of the question was there, by Mr. Nishant. He's just asked this question. You would ask something about smart city. Yeah. So, Mr. Nishant, the smart city, which I was just talking about, is where the possessions we are expected to start the, development and handing over the apartments by the end of this year. And, the buildings are already at a very advanced stage of construction. So, though the choices are very limited there, because you're like, majority of the apartments are sold in there, but you might still get certain options. You can definitely connect with our team and we can give you
in fact,
options.
A lot of people are even asking, they joined in late, they would like to see the video once again. So अपना जो second video है वो एक बार आप चला दें.
Okay, I will play. So very important thing which I don't want to miss. Yeah. If anyone wants to grab this opportunity, don't forget to show webinar invitation which you received from House Seekers India Private Limited.
Yeah, that is important. Yeah,
because this offers the offers given by Mr. Ravi is valid only for attendees of this webinar for next 2 days. It is Saturday and Sunday. Okay, जिसमें you have to and if I talk about offer, जिसमें you have to pay only certain amount and rest amount at the time of possession. Okay, so they have given time of 3 days to grab this opportunity. You can call directly on 77-180-64506. Yeah, sales team will start connecting after this webinar. So as per request, I am playing video again.
So Mr. Vikas Sable wants contact person also. So please connect.
Okay, just I am playing.
You will have the record of all these Q&As now.
Second video?
Yeah, second
video.
Okay. So no problem. After this webinar, we will share our live streaming link to all customers जिन्होंने भी join किया है या जो join नहीं कर पाए. हमारा जो live streaming है Facebook पर, we will share with everyone also. But right now we are playing second video also.
Yeah. Please take a note of these questions as well, Mukeshji, because I think there are some very questions.
Yes, our sales team will address after this webinar.
Individually, nobody should get missed, huh? Mukesh, please see to that.
Okay. If you are not receiving the call, you can directly drop me a mail directly, mukesh@houseseekers.in. Within 5 minutes, we will give the solutions after receiving the mail.
Sure.
Just allow me 1 minute. I am playing the video. Thank you so much, Mr. Nitin, Mr. Ravi sir, for giving your precious time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mukesh.
Thank you.
Have a good evening, guys. Thank you.
Good evening. Yeah, thanks.
Again, you can note down the email ID, which I have explained. If you are not receiving any call from my sales team, max by tomorrow, you can drop mail directly on mukesh@houseseekers.in. Within 5 minutes, you will receive a call. Yeah, you can directly call on 77-180-64506. Thanks a lot for joining.